going on?
I just needed a couple dollars for gas.
Okay, because people are out here worried about you that you're out here screaming, dear.
Yeah, if they were worried, they would not talk to me personally one day.
Yeah, but that's not how it works down here,
dear. If they were really weird, once they come talk to me.
You're right, but that's not how it works out here because you're in Key
I
West.
know. I'm gonna go home.
Okay, so what's going on tonight, dear?
I'm just trying to get some gas, my friend, to get out to the boat.
To get out to the boat? Where's your boat at?
It's not mine.
It's not your boat.
It's not mine. It's not even for me.
Okay.
It's not even for me.
But see how I'm talking to you and you're kind of yelling at me? I see you're a little excited, okay? So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm not trying to be any kind of way.
I know. But people are worried and calling about you.
And they were worried about advertising. Why aren't they helping me? They need gas. I'm trying. I put two together. It's fucking easy.
Why are you yelling at us?
When you're acting like this, people don't really want to come find out what's going on. That's why they call us to see.
If they would listen to me, they know what's going on.
Well, you're out here screaming and flailing your arms. You're kind of freaking people out. So
well, listen to me, and then I won't freak you out, will I?
Well,
you know what's going on with me. I'm kind of upset. I wonder why.
Why are you upset? What's going on?
Gas.
What about the gas?
Gas.
What about it?
It's not even for me.
So then why do you need it?
To get out to somebody's boat with them.
Oh, okay. Do you have money?
It's like $2. $2. 2 pieces of paper.
Stop yelling at me.
I'm not trying to yell.
Alright. You have money to pay for gas?
No, I got 5 cents in my pocket. 5 cents. That I picked them off the ground. That I picked them off the ground.
but you want to ask people to help, and then you're screaming.
I did down there, and they told me I couldn't do that.
Yeah, you can't.
They kicked me out of it.
In Key West, you can't ask people for money. That's,
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You'd rather have me come and
Relax.
Stop. I'm not trying to do that. I'm not.
Stop.
But you'd rather have me rob you
Stop.
or steal from the store.
Because what's going to happen if you do that again is I'm going to put you in handcuffs. So let's
Oh,
not do that.
I
Go
don't
ahead and
mean
take a
to.
seat for me.
I don't mean
Go
to.
ahead and take a seat for me.
I'm sorry.
Do you have any friends that you could...
Ah!
Where are you staying at?
That's why I wanted gas to get to his
Okay.
boat. So I can stay on his boat with him. $2. $2.
$2?
Well, how much is this little thing to get?
Looks like it's like a gallon, so
Might
maybe
go
like
more than $2.
$4.
Okay. Still not much. Still not much.
What's your name, dear?
Ma'am.
Let me catch my breath, please. I'm trying to calm down.
Okay.
No worries.
The only way I know to do that is to breathe.
Is to what?
I'd rather not breathe.
Why don't you want to breathe?
Because I don't even want to be here. I don't want to be here. What do you think? What do you think?
Okay, so do you want to go to a
This
boat?
ain't life. This ain't living.
You're right, it's not.
I'm surviving, but I ain't living.
Okay. So what's your name again, dear?
$4? So what? $4?
So what's your name, dear?
Does that matter?
Yeah.
What?
Because we got a call that you're acting erratic.
I wonder why. You know what? I can't wait till these people are in my position. Any one of you, any person you will, in my position, right here, right now.
What's your name?
If they're not neurotic, trusting only in the
What's
Lord.
your name? Simple question. His name, birthday.
I am.
Your name's I am?
If so, I am. I am. I'm here, and I don't know why I'm here. I am.
You are. I am. That's your name. That's what you're going with.
Yep. Today, I guess
am.
so. And I don't mean to be rude, and I don't mean to be any kind of way.
We're just trying to find out who you are.
It doesn't matter,
What is it?
but it shouldn't matter.
All it matters at this moment, just like me.
And I'm not trying to be rude,
They
sir.
call me Ramos.
Ramos, I'm Cat.
Cat.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Cat.
And I'm not trying to be any kind of way.
Okay.
What do you do?
Police officer.
I pray.
No, you got a job.
I don't believe you're a person with no talents. I'm just trying to figure out what's
You're right,
going on.
I do have talent.
My point.
What are your talents?
Love, number
Love,
one.
There you go.
Love, number one. The number one rule. Love is my number one talent.
Awesome. There's a lot of jobs that involve love.
Mom,
You're a mom?
5 children, 4 grandchildren.
Nice.
Okay. So, Kat, what's your last name, Kat?
But there's no O or D because that don't stand for oppression or violence.
Okay, so that last name, what is it?
There's no O or V between the L and E because I don't stand for oppression or violence.
Awesome.
I've asked God, I said, you don't want me to just go grab some gas and run?
So.
He doesn't want me to do that.
You want to hurt yourself
That's
at all,
wrong.
man?
No.
No?
I don't want to live, but no, I don't want to hurt myself.
Okay, so you don't want to live.
You know what? Because I'm waiting to go home, or go home to my family. I'm in the in between.
Okay.
But no, I don't want to die. But I don't want to live either. Whatever that tells
Do
me.
you want
If
to...
you-
Listen to me really quickly. Do you want to go to...
I to answer my
Listen to
fucking
me.
prayer.
Listen to me. I'm talking.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you want to go to Depu so maybe they can try to get you some help or the hospital?
No. I know, but I was finishing my sentence.
I was talking first. That's
You
all
asked
right.
me a
That's in
question.
the past.
If
Listen.
you not ask me a question, I
Listen to
finished
me.
my
Okay. So you can either come with me voluntarily, or we can stand up and I can put you in handcuffs and do this whole shebang.
Why?
Look, we're going to the hospital one way or
Why?
another. Listen.
You're
You're
not
not letting me
touching him?
talk.
No, Kat.
You're not letting me talk either.
Because I'm speaking
You asked
first.
me a question. I'm answering my question. You don't let me finish my
Okay.
question.
Do you want to come with me voluntarily, or do you want to do this with maybe a little bit
I
of
didn't even
force?
grab my phone. I can't even call the people who are waiting on me to bring them
Kat,
back the gas.
voluntarily?
Take me to their phone.
You're doing a lot of yelling. We came out here to
What do
find
you
out.
guys?
Okay.
What do you mean?
Kat, thank you so much.
This is your love. This is your love. This is your love. This
Take
is
this
your
from me.
love.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
All right.
I-
Up.
All right.
There you go.
So
This
look,
is your love. Why is this your
Kat,
love?
let's
I
get...
was just seeing them in
You're
the
not
phone
letting us
going,
talk.
all I want to do is go home to their
I'm
boat.
gonna tighten it.
All I want to do is go home to their boat.
You're acting real erratic right
I
now.
wonder why.
We've tried to talk
Where
to
have
you
you been?
numerous times.
Have you been?
We've tried to talk to you numerous times.
And
You
you
keep
won't let me
jumping
talk.
around.
And
You're
you won't let me
flailing
talk.
your arms. You're not
And you won't
identifying
let-
yourself. So we're gonna get you somewhere
I
where
did.
they're gonna find it. What?
I gave you my name and my last name.
What is it? Kat what? You see how you've calmed down as soon as we put handcuffs on? That's what we didn't want to do. But now you're calm, and now we're gonna talk to some things, okay?
Well, why don't you listen?
You weren't letting us
No,
talk,
you
and
weren't listening
wanted
to
to
me.
talk over us
But
when
you-
we're trying to explain things.
but you also
now we're getting somewhere. Let's
Alright.
go to my partner's car right here. We're gonna see about getting handcuffed, okay?
I need it for $4.
All right, they're gonna do that. They're gonna do that. Out the
$4 was all I needed.
Okay.
$4.
Kat, do you have anything?
You know you're gonna help me. If you really wanted to help me, you can use the $4. Yeah.
You're right,
Or
Kat,
fill
but
that
we
gas.
don't do that as a QS.
No, I know. All you do is throw people in jail.
I don't
You're
want
not
to throw
going
you
to
You're
jail.
not going to jail.
Ma'am.
Then why am I here in handcuffs?
Because we think that you're having some type of a breakdown or having some type of
I am.
mental, we're going to get you some help. It's out of my scope of work and out of my profession, so we're going to get you
That's why
somewhere
you
else.
told everybody
You're
except for
right.
his.
Hey, do you want to call 83? I know she's on the traffic stop. To pat her down.
83297. Are you able to make your way back over here? Copy. Thank you.
All I'm doing is trusting you, man.
Okay.
Look at my tattoos.
I got you.
Look at my tattoos.
What do you have right here?
That's probably my vape.
That's your vape? Okay, just making sure it's not a knife. Alright. You don't have any knives or any
No.
needles or anything like that?
No,
on
no,
you,
no,
do
no,
you?
no, no.
Are you sure, Kat?
Yes.
I don't want to get
I told you what I had.
Okay, you're the one hitter. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
He asked me to come
Look to your right. You see that officer? So
Yes.
pat you down, okay?
Officer Roman. All right, a couple of things. Do you have anything on you?
A one hitter.
Okay, where is that at?
One in my pocket, probably my right.
Okay. Anything that's going to poke or stab me,
No,
stick
no,
me,
no.
nothing, all right? Okay. That will not be happening.
There you go, Kat. See?
I'm not trying to be belligerent. I'm not trying to be anything. Yep, that's it. I told you that I thought it was my right pocket.
Thank you for being
But
honest.
she's got to make sure, okay?
Yeah, because last thing I want to do is get poked by anything, right?
Right.
I've been there.
I don't like needles. I don't even like getting a shot.
I know.
When
but I don't know
when
you.
they got you, I tell them don't count to 3 and tell me when you're gonna do it. I look away and just say, just do
let
it.
I got you.
Just please
I'm not
do
a
it.
needle person.
Yeah, neither am I.
Especially-
Why'd you get tattoos if you don't like needles?
That's a good question.
Okay, all right.
That is a very...
See, now we're talking,
That's
all right?
a very, very
I
good
know,
question.
dear, I know.
I think I should go to do it just like this. And you have an ID out of Florida, ma'am?
No.
I'm gonna hold on to that.
Yeah.
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin?
Nothing out of Florida? That's your last ID? Is out of Wisconsin, dear?
Correct.
Okay.
You said cat, right?
Kathryn, yes, but I go by Kat.
Cat, nothing in your bra?
No.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot to take up that aluminum foil.
All right.
That
Do me
should
a
be
favor.
that
Stick.
really should be
I'm gonna
on.
have you kick your shoes off for me.
No problem. That's why I love doing it.
Yep.
That's why I love doing it when you don't have time to
That's
tie
fine.
them.
Yeah, fair enough.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
Can you lift up this foot for me?
Yep.
I got you, Kat, okay? I'm not going to let you fall. That's the last thing I want,
alright,
dear.
Don't worry, I'm not worried.
Go. Come this way, Kat. There you go, dude. Just like that.
Correct.
I know.
$4.
I know.
I've only got a nickel in my pocket. Did you
I
bring a
got
nickel, ma'am?
A nickel?
Yeah, there should have been a nickel in my pocket.
A nickel?
I don't think she checked the front pocket yet.
Yes, she did.
Did she?
Yes, she did.
You checked the front pocket?
I should be in the right
Sometimes
one.
you misses.
I didn't see a nickel in there, but we'll try. Is it like a...
I picked up a nickel. There should be a nickel.
Do you have holes in your pockets?
I don't know.
No nickel in there?
I picked up a nickel. Maybe it's the one. Well, you got to check that pocket. See, Lord even had me lose my nickel.
Look at that.
Oh, man. That's not good.
My last nickel.
Your last one. You'll find more.
And all I wanted was a couple dollars
There you
for
go.
some gas
Take
that wasn't
these
even
down.
for me.
You want to put those on?
Pardon?
You want your
Alright,
shoes so
yes.
we don't have you out here in socks.
Yes, please.
There you
Thank
go. There you go.
I appreciate it.
This for you? Alright. Which side do you want?
All right, open your mouth for me.
Uh,
Stick your tongue up. Okay. Perfect. Nothing around here. You're good.
no, I'm going to get a mohawk and then you won't have to check that.
Oh, I still have to check.
Kat, just sit in here for a second, okay?
Warrior
And we'll keep
princess.
talking.
His princess.
He is. He's a prince. Just go ahead and
No
sit in
problem.
here, okay? And we'll keep talking in a second.
I just said,
I just gotta talk to my partner real quick.
No problem.
All right, thanks, Kat.
You got your ink for
Your ink car's on?
Please.
How you doing? You alright?
I just call on the Son and the Father. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
So it's most likely going to be it's going to be a .001 a week. Then go ahead and
So